Multi-region fabric. Multi-region fabric provides the ability to divide the architecture of Cisco SD-WAN overlay network into multiple region networks that operate distinctively from one another, and a central core region network for managing intra-region node traffic. The hierarchical architecture enables you to use different traffic and transport service providers for each region and for the central core region network to optimize cost and traffic performance. It also simplifies traffic configuration for some scenarios, so provides a robust adaptive topology that can help preventing route failure in specific network scenarios. Configuring a hierarchical architecture using policies is not an easy task, and the MRF significance reduces the administrative tasks in building the architecture and opens doors for other features such as transport gateways, router affinity, which greatly reduces the complexity in large networks. We will migrate the hierarchical SD-WAN created using policies to hierarchical SD-WAN using MRF. We'll show you how to feature transport gateway and routers affinity, and I'll show the ease of configuring hierarchical networks with MRF. Create the MRF board device. That's first console in the site 300 Ubuntu VPN 10 device. We're going to select this and log into this console. Open a terminal. We're going to run pings to 100.110.50.2, and we're going to keep on running. Go back to SD-WAN manager, go to administrative and settings. We're going to enable multi-region fabric settings. By default, it is disabled. Enable that, save it. So we'll then create regions to be used in our new MRF topology. So let's go to configuration, network, hierarchical, view, and I will see that all sites in our labs and the core region has been automatically populated on the left panel. Let's now click the three dots and we're going to add a node. We'll select this region. Let's name the region as a region East Coast, and we'll click add. And make sure that global is the parent region, and we're going to click the three dots on the global. Then we're going to add a node, select the region one more time and say the name is a region West Coast, and click add. Make sure that global is the parent region. Then we'll configure vSmart controller. Go to the configuration, find the templates, find the feature template. We'll look for the vSmart MRF system feature template and click on the three dots on the right side and click add it. Now we're going to add a region ID. It show once the MRF is enabled in the vManager settings, and we'll make sure it is device specific. It as system region ID list, and we'll click. As update. So now we'll update vSmarts as per here showing. Let's see who can update them. Back that. Look as no, we haven't touched the regions. That's okay, we'll do one more time. System region ID list. Doesn't take, all right. What if I change the name? Change it back. Alright, I think I know how to edit this. First, the vSmart one, and we're gonna to pick the region East Coast. Region East Coast. I know it doesn't show very well. And vSmart 2. Make sure the region West Coast. And this vSmart 3, that's core region. Update. Next, let's click it. All right, so click configure device, confirm that's 3. And we'll leave vSmart 4 as a flat to vSmart without any region associated to. So there's no need to configure at least one, as it has its own template. Name is vSmart non-MRF. So this is most important that vSmart to migrate from SD-WAN to MRF without disruption. So that is will serve all devices regardless of their region. All 3 vSmart developed successfully. Now we'll go to monitor, find the device. We are going to find a device 200 site CE1 and 200 CE1. We'll find it the real time 2 site 200 CE1. We'll look for the OMP peers in search bar, do not filter. Now we can see device only have OMP sessions to vSmart 4, the 1.1.1.12, as the acts as a flat vSmart not associated with any region. You can issue a command clear SD-WAN control connections on the router via console. So if you do not see this, just please refer to accessing device via console and on how to console device. Just issue that command clear SD-WAN control connection that you will see only vSmart 4 left. Okay, let's go to configuration. Configuration groups. We're gonna click the 3 dots in font with East Coast DC. Added. We want to expand service profile and service system profile, and we want to add a feature. Well, excuse me. The one we'll find is multi-region fabric. This is the feature, and the name is gonna be site 100 MRF. Region ID, we want to say 1. Role, find it as a border router. Migration mode, say global, enabled. Save on both device. We're going to deploy the configuration. Click associate devices, select the site 100 and deploy. Now let's go on. Want to say CLI preview. Now you will see new configuration is added to the router. That is device deployed successfully. Now let's go to monitor. We want to go to devices. Find out site 1 CE1, site 1 CE1, site 100 CE1. Excuse me. Let's go to real time. Find out its OMP peers in search bar. Do not filter. Now, device has OMP sessions to vSmart 1 that owns the region 1, vSmart 3 that owns the core region 0 and the flat vSmart 4 that being used for migration. So we'll go to the configuration and configuration groups. We're going to click the 3 dots in front of East Coast DC. Let's expand transport management profile, and we're going to find out 3 dots in front of the premium internet one and edit feature. Click the tunnel. Go down here. We want to enable border. And save on both. That's it. And go to Premium Internet 2. Add this feature. Similarly, we'll go to tunnel. Find out the border. Enable it. Save. Changing the both. Go scroll down here. That's a CLI profile. Click Start Configuration under CLI profile. The name we'll be creating is MRF core. Let's do some commands. SD-WAN, interface. Well, I will copy and paste. Copy, paste. Hit save and okay. That's the port configured by clicking associate device. Click 100 and deploy it. Click preview. We'll go to configuration. Configuration groups. And click the 3 dots in front of the West Coast DC. Edit this. Let's expand the system profile. We want to add a feature. Feature we want to add is the multi-region fabric. Name will be site 200 MF. Region will pick 2. Role we want to make is the border router. Migration mode enabled. Save it. Now go to social device. Click this. Deploy it. Click it one more time. Next. See the deploy status. Now we'll go to monitoring, find the device. Want to use the Site 200 CE and real time. OMP peers. So device has OMP peer to Smart 2, vSmart owns the region 2, and the vSmart 3 owns the core region 0. The vSmart 4 is being used for migration. Let's also go to configuration, find out the configuration groups. We're going to click the 3 dots in front of West Coast DC. Here we're going to add a feature. No, now we're going to go to transport and we'll click the 3 dots in front of Premium Internet 1. Add this feature. Find a tunnel. Enable it as border. Also find the Premium Internet 2. Make a global, enable it, save. Come down here to CLI profile, give a name as MRF core west. We're gonna copy and paste the CLI. There you go. Save it. Scroll up. Associate device. Site 200 and deploy. The new configuration added the ping sync here. Close it and deploy it. Take a look deployment status. To confirm that now region 0 fabric is operational, we'll go to monitor, devices, find the Site 100 CE1. Quickly click into it. Click the tunnel. I should see 2 tunnels per gold and silver. But next, we'll configure MRF edge device, which is East Coast region, and we'll go to configuration groups, click the 3 dots in front of East Coast branch 2. edit. Let's expand the service profile, add a feature, multi-region fabric. For the name is site 400. Site 400 MRF. Region is gonna be 1. Role we want to make edge router. Migration mode enabled. Click save. Social device. We'll deploy this. Next we're dealing East Coast branch 1. Branch 1 is site 300. Configuration group. East Coast branch 1. Now edit. Add this feature, multi-region fabric. Site 300 MRF. Region use 1. Role edge enabled. Save. Then deploy it also. See the new configuration can be added. Give a second. Here you go. Close this. Deploy. After this deployment, we're going to deal with MRF, the edge device for West Coast region. Configuration group. Click that 3 dots for West Coast branch 1 T-lock extension, which is the site 500. Add a feature. Site 500 MRF. Region is 2. Role we want to make also the edge global for enable it. Then deploy it. Then select the site 500. Deploy. is showing. Here you go. Close it, deploy. So at this point, the multi-region fabric has been successfully created with the migration service enabled, providing a seamless migration itself. So that's review.
Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below. Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below.